Traffic update. Guys, traffic dito ngayon sa papuntang mag-bridge na. Portman Bridge. Okay, katatapos lang ng work at tayo ngayon ay nakapila dito sa traffic. Tingnan natin baka kung anong ayan traffic light, kailan siguro may accident. Kaya traffic lights ayan, going east. Ayan. Traffic guys, ayan.
What's right there? Copy left.
Copy right and copy left, yes. No edit. Ayan, meron na yata ang accident. Ayan sa Portman Bridge. Kaya, and it's Friday, that's why traffic were. Ayan, mahaba-habang traffic ito guys, pero moving naman siya. Kaya, dito kami sa tuktok ng tulay. Ang ganda ng clouds.
That's right there.
Sa kabilang ayun. Ayan pala traffic. Ayan. Doon pala sa kabila, akala ko dito sa amin pala. Pero mabagal din ang traffic dito, ang andar. Mabagal din. Maraming sasakyan. Makikita natin kung gaano kadami ang sasakyan. Tignan natin. Abangan. Bye. What's that for? Nervous? Look. First trip.
Your strip?
How's your trip?
Oh, so much driving.
So from the cabin to Jay's?
1 hour.
1 hour. Ayan, marami ng sasakyan sa kalsada ngayong araw.
But then you don't have to
Biyernes.
pay Airbnb though.
Ting, 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 ting. Ayan, ang daming sasakyan. Sa araw ng Biyernes. Kaliwat kanan. Ayan, papuntang west. Vancouver, gano'n. Burnaby, yung west. Ito, papuntang east. Like Abbotsford, Langley. Ayan, Chilliwack. Ayan. Ayan, Surrey, Chilliwack. Mission, Hope. Ayan.
June, Kamloops,
Yeah, yung way na yan, na traffic.
Calgary,
Calgary.
Ontario. Nova Scotia.
Philippines.
Long drive though.
1 year. 1 year drive. 1 year drive. 365 days. Not even. There's no way. There's no way. Ayan. Medyo mabagal pa rin ang takbo.
This guy.
Oh, maybe from what country? Palestinian? Sabi na gayway niya. Kanilang bandila. Tingnan natin kung anong bansa ito.
Take your
Habang
shit.
natin. Ayan, medyo dire-diretso na ang takbo natin ngayon, guys. So, let's go, let's go. Diana, my manager. Diana, 1 hour overtime. No, my husband's already there. My husband's already waiting. Oh, and then like, come on, just tell him to wait 1 hour. I said, no, come on, 1 hour. No. That's why I went like outside already. So like, okay, I need to go. I need to go. Like, come on, I need to hide. Oh. Police, police, police. Uh-oh. Busted. Uh-oh.
Wait, go to Superior and see what, if it's working.
Instagram?
No, just the website.
Oh.
If it's still broken, then I gotta get Andre to fix it again.
So maybe Andres home now? Because he said they changed their schedule.